many people out there just don't feel balanced right now? You know, you're living life, but you aren't truly feeling aligned in life. And so if that sounds like you, I have 3 key areas that I want to discuss with you. Area number 1, if you're work focused. Work focused is when you are just solely focused on your work. You're solely focused on your dreams. You're not really taking time for your relationships. You're not taking time for self-care. You're not doing any of these things outside of just that work, outside of that dream, outside of that business that's going to propel you to the next level, which is going to make you feel unaligned. Second area, life focused. On the other hand, you're just focused on those relationships. You're just focused on yourself. You're not really being productive in your work environment. You're not really working on your dreams. It's that key area that's really starting to sink for you. But the point that you want to get to is being balance focused. Being balance focused is knowing that you have responsibilities, not only for yourself, but for your work and your dreams. You have to survive in this life. And we're not here to just survive, we're here to thrive as individuals. The way you thrive is finding alignment. So looking at yourself, looking at that perfect version of yourself, saying, okay, this is the version I wish to be. These are the things that God has made in this universe that I have access to at any time. Yes, you have access to prosperity. Yes, you have access to abundance, but it takes being aligned and really truly finding what it is that you value. Start focusing your time on being productive to allow you to feed into this area, these several different areas. Then when you have it all together, you will be perfectly balanced. This is Javian Johnson with CreateMyStory2.com. For more coaching solutions, whether you're a business or professional, come visit us. And one more thing. I will be speaking in Houston at the Greer Center on February 24th. If you want to come check me out, I'll be there with the best work balance advice. See you soon.